Okay, so how do you become a multi-million-dollar investor? Well, it's really quite simple. You acquire knowledge and experience. Okay, that was simple. We answered that question. But wait a second. How do you really become a multi-million dollar investor like Warren Buffett? He's got knowledge and he's got experience. Can you acquire that? Yeah. Read books, study, go to work for Goldman Sachs, and come back, and you're ready to go. But wait a second, maybe that's not possible. So how else do you do it? I believe, or you could hire somebody, okay, and pay them. Maybe you accumulate enough money that you can get into a hedge fund and you have all their experience. But is there another way? I believe there is. I'm calling it Best of Us Investors. I'm building a tribe that is going to collectively have the knowledge and the experience and come together and share that knowledge experience for the common objective of becoming a multi-million-dollar investor. Now, I have had some success in investing. The portfolio that I manage within my YouTube channel had a value of just under $400,000 in January of 2018. And that's when I kind of stopped traveling so much and started focusing on my investments. In the next year, I brought it up to about $520,000 and had about a 30% gain on my investment that year. That's then when I got involved in YouTube and started focusing even a little bit more in it. And in January of 2020, it was up to $850,000, about a 64% gain. Now we're up to February of 2020, and it's up to $1,040,000. That's a 22% gain in 41 days. What changed? But wait a second. Is that kind of an anomaly? I don't know. Something changed. And if we continue, the portfolio continues to grow at this 22% pace in the first 41 days of the year, it will grow to January of 2022 to $3,108,000, or a 199% gain. So, what changed? What changed was the amount of information that I'm looking at on a daily basis through the minds of, right now, some 17,000 people. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about that, and I'm going to open up a thought pattern for you as to how you can become a multi-million-dollar investor. If you like videos like this, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. I got more where this comes from. Stay with me.
Best of Us Investors presents Carrie Griegmeyer.
Okay, what changed? Basically, my portfolio changed from just the big seven, the Apple, Google, Amazon, Tesla. And that's what it was in the start of 2020. As we moved through 2020 and my channel grew and I created a Discord, I started bringing people into the Discord and asking them to share their picks of what they thought could be in the future. I've pretty much said, I really don't want your picks outside of robotics, 3D printing, biotech, electric vehicles, and 5G. I chose those because through my reading, I have determined that these are going to be the big changes that are going to happen in our economy, in our society, in our world over the next 3 to 5 years. And they are, for the most part, being driven by technology and disruption and the coronavirus. Those 5 areas are all, as I open my window into the future, I say that's where the change is going to be. I've then most recently made a decision that I'm going to change my portfolio from a 90% Big 7 and 10% exponential growth to an 80-20 portfolio. I'm becoming more confident in my ability to pick companies that are going to be participants or facilitators of this change in my robotics, 3D printing, biotech, EV, and 5G. So what I'm doing now is saying I'm going to raise the risk potential on my portfolio to assure or to give me more confidence that I'll achieve that 199% return on investment in 2021. Now, how am I going to do that? Well, the first thing I did is I said I need better research. I am getting a flow of suggestions from my 17,000 tribe members, but I need some better research available. So I partnered with Seeking Alpha. I told the CEO of Seeking Alpha I would help him grow his business if he would help me grow my business, and that created a partnership. And he is teaching me, and I am teaching my tribe members how to better use Seeking Alpha to help us make decisions. Now, where we're going from that is I'm going to create a team of analysts who will take the influx of suggestions from the tribe, which I suspect will grow to 50,000 within the next year. And I'm now going to ask you if you have the ability to create an algorithm to sort through these massive numbers of suggestions of stocks to look at and come down to those that are most common, most spoken of, most highly rated amongst my tribe members. Then I'm going to feed those to my 5 analysts. Those 5 analysts every week or every 2 weeks, we're deciding on that, will have a Zoom meeting, and they will sort through and decide which of all these stocks that are being suggested to us are our best picks. They will record that, and then my other tribe members will have access to it so that they can make a better financial decision. So they're getting the knowledge, the experience that I just told you you could get if you got the education and went to work for Goldman Sachs. They're getting it from the tribe. So we are taking the minds, the experience, the knowledge of, let's say, this time next year, over 50,000 people, and condensing it and using it to our benefit. That's what the tribe is all about. What I then know is that's not enough. I'm a retired financial advisor. I built one of the largest within the Ameriprise system and sold it in 2005. I know there are 6 areas of financial advising. Investing is one of them. Protection planning is another. Insurance. Estate planning is another. Retirement planning is another. Education planning is another. So what I'm also looking to do, in addition to creating this tribe that helps you make good financial decisions, I'm trying to partner with a financial planning firm. And I'm asking them to come to our tribe and share information and speak to those people who are going to be their future customers, who are just now building their financial awareness and need their help at the early stages, and then they can benefit at the later stages. The other thing I am trying to do is to create a partnership with a online trading portal. I've been using E-Trade for 15 years. I'm realizing the deeper I get into it that I don't know all the functions within that portal because they've never educated me. Now, yeah, they probably have tutorials somewhere in there, but I don't know how to access them. They don't have a voice. Neither does the financial planners. They don't have a voice. I want to become their voice. I want to become their face, and I want my channel, your channel, to become the everything store for your financial needs. I will meet tomorrow with a CPA, and I am going to get her to come on and tell you how to set up a Subchapter S corporation, a LLC, how to build a separate tax entity so that you can keep more of what you make. That's what I want to become to you, for you. And I want you to become a part of it. And I want this not to be Carrie's channel. I want it to be your channel. And I want to stop being just a talking head that tells you what I think Neo's going to be worth next month. I want to give you hard information so that you can make your own financial decisions, so that you can keep more of what you make. And then most importantly, so that you can build family wealth. And so your knowledge and your experience makes a better life for the people that you leave behind, so that you can take advantage of, here in the United States, we have the right to save or to pass on to our heirs just shy of $24 million, Nita and I. That's my objective, to build that $24 million that I don't need to live on, so that I can make a difference in my grandchildren, my great-grandchildren, and my great-great-grandchildren's life, so that Carrie left something behind of value. So, what do I need at this point? I need you to subscribe. I need you to be, not because I need the money from your views on my YouTube, because I need your knowledge, and I need your experience, and I need your enthusiasm as a part of the tribe to build this. I need somebody to build me an algorithm within my Discord to help us refine the knowledge that we have, and then help us dispense it to the tribe members so that they can achieve their financial objectives. As I said, I am working on, and I think I will have the tax information available. And I think I can help you create family wealth. That's our objective. Can it work? Can you become a multi-million-dollar investor? Warren Buffett did. Why can't you? Now, yeah, okay, you can't graduate from Harvard or Walton Business College or whatever, and then go to work for Goldman Sachs. But you can come to a collective, a tribe that has people have done that, or done other things, or worked for companies that are involved in robotics, 3D printing, biotech, 5G, and electric vehicles, and you can get access to their knowledge so that you can make better business decisions. This is not going to be your normal YouTube channel. This is going to be where you come to get good, solid information to give you a better financial life. That's what I want to build. That's what I know I can build, as I have experienced my return on my investments going from 29.7% in 2018 to 19 to what I think will be 200% 2020 to 2021. Because of my knowledge? No. Because I will have 50,000 people helping me. That 50,000 will turn into 100,000. And eventually it will be 1 million. And I'm inviting you today to become a part of this movement. Go to bestofusinvestors.com. Give me your email address and your name. I'll send you an invitation to our Discord. Once you get in the Discord, you will be able to sign up for our premium channel, which costs a whopping $10 a month. You will see my portfolio that currently is a little over $1 million, that's going to $3 million this year, and you'll be notified every time I do a trade. And then you'll have access to thousands of people's other knowledge and experience. And if that won't make you a multi-million-dollar investor, I don't know what will. Okay, talk to you tomorrow.